This is a vehicle that is built like no other. This vehicle is forged from a metal only known by the designer. You see, this vehicle was designed to be used in multiple planets, and I would like to share with you what's behind the design of the bulletproof Cybertruck. In November 2019, the Cybertruck was released as a concept.
Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil.
It has a body design reminiscent of low polygon modeling, consisting of flat stainless steel sheet panels. 4 long years later, in November 2023, it was released to customers. The Cybertruck is crafted in the Texas Gigafactory located in Austin, Texas. The steel that is used for the Cybertruck is a 300 grade steel is rolled up in coils for the next step of being made into micro precision level blanks. The machine that is used is the first of its kind, known as the laser blanking line. It takes coils and unwinds them and begins taking out the internal stresses from the raw material as it passes through the leveler. The Cybertruck doors are 1.8 millimeters thick, and the sails and the hood are 1.4 millimeters thick, which has been adjusted over time to be thinner than the 2.53 millimeters, which was the original thickness, but it still maintains the bulletproof durability. The HFS, or hook steel fibers, were strengthened during the process. The parts are separated from the parts for consumers and the scraps, and then stacked. This is a careful process because the only thing that can scratch HFS is HFS. They stack them one on top of the other, which has to be done carefully since the steel is not covered with plastic. It's too bulletproof for that. These are separated by tailgate, hood, and door. We are on the first floor where the inner portion is manufactured. Elon wanted to make sure that the measurements are accurate to the T with micro precision, so a 2D light scanner is used to sketch the cuts for accuracy. The inner panel of the Cybertruck is made with precision. It's forged together with 2 types of material, aluminum, bronze, and stainless steel. Next, the furnace, 3 of them. There are 7 chambers in each for a total of 21 shelves. They heat the material to 900 degrees Celsius, then place it in the press. The upper and lower dies are held in place from anywhere from 6 to 8 seconds with water running through each one. This furnace prepares the inner and outer panels. Once they have been stamped, they are then stacked on a pallet for the second floor. The Cybertruck has over 100 panels that are moved to the second floor to form the body. For the doors, an air bender is used to pick up the parts and bend it to form the needed shape for the panels, such as the doors and the hood. The machine will blow air from the bottom and bend as well as measure the part. The door panels are 1.8 millimeters thick. Everything else is 1.4 millimeters, which makes the Cybertruck bulletproof. As well, the thickness helps against crashes. It actually takes about 75% of the side crash load just through the side panel itself. While the inner panels are forged on the first floor, some of the outer panels are prepared on the second floor. Then there is the simple part, the laser booth. The laser booth is used to combine the outer panels. The parts are transferred to the second floor by means of an elevator. The casting is done on the first floor. The first casting is made with the same machine that is used for the Model Y, made with 6,500 ton casting machines, while the rear is done by a 9,000 ton casting machine. All these pieces fit together to make a structure of a Cybertruck that is built similar to that of a bridge. The design is simple. There is not much to the structure, just forward thinking, relying on engineering that has stood the test of time. As we have mentioned, the side door ring is structured with a wide opening, and the side bar is designed to withstand 75% of a crash impact. But the design of that area, the B+ surface of the vehicle's side door, does not get much change from the factory to the field, like the other parts of the Cybertruck as well. This high-strength boron steel door ring is coated and bolted, connecting the pillar to the front casting. The battery is a 4680 cell, made in-house by Tesla. Similar cells are actually used in the Model Y. The seats are stacked on the battery of the truck in front, and the back seats are connected to the back of the truck so they can be lifted up. It is a similar assembly to that of the Model Y for this portion of the vehicle, with the seat and console being lifted from underneath the vehicle. Some of the new features that is not in any other Tesla model is the tonneau cover that has been designed to withstand 300 pounds of weight. It allows the items in the cab to be covered and is made with high-grade material. After all the pieces are set in place, as well as the motors, which are of a similar design to that of the Tesla Semi, and essentially the same as the Model Y motors, makes the vehicle capable of receiving 600 horsepower for the dual motor model, and for the trio motor reaching a combined 834 horsepower, making the Cybertruck one of the fastest trucks on the market. If you were to design a truck, you may have not designed it quite like this one, but one thing is for sure, you will never forget the design of the Cybertruck.